The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan, south central Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 9:30 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Flat Rock, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Grosse Ile around 9 p.m. Trenton around 9:05 p.m. Wyandotte around 9:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Newport, Brownstown Township, Gibraltar, South Rockwood, Woodhaven, Riverview, Rockwood, and Southgate. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Monroe, and Wayne.
Series, The Great American Read, the book.